I looked at that video again by Traverse Creek on how to install this to make sure that I was doing it right. First thing is this piece right here goes just like going just like that. Getting it there, we're gonna get it, we're gonna get it. Yeah, both sides are flat. Yeah, it's supposed to go on here. Try this. I said, you know, could be that this is not made for this particular chainsaw. I don't know. Oh, here we go. We gotta get it turned the right way. The video probably gonna be a bit long in the tooth because this thing don't see no, this metal piece don't want to seem to go on like it's supposed to. Both sides of this piece right here flat, and this is flat on both sides. I don't get it. Just give me a little time. Yeah, Houston, we seem to have a little bit of issue here. It's supposed to go straight on, but I guess this kit was also made just for the Timberwolf chainsaw that he used in the video. Now, I'll bring y'all back when I get this metal piece installed. Just give me a little bit of a fit. I gotta figure something out, so I'll bring y'all back in a little bit. Thank you.